simple hello could lead to a million things. So this is Iniyal Rajkumar wishing you guys hello. So friends, imagine a small fish without water. Can it survive? Now imagine a world without water. Can we survive? When we think beyond the sink, playing video games or chatting with someone, imagine that there are still people who are in need of water that we spill in the sink there. So today I'm feeling very proud in teaching you guys how to make a water dispenser to save water. So only when the last tree is cut down, only when the last plant is dead lying on the floor and the last fish is dead, would you understand the importance of water? Save water, save life. And there is a proverb saying, little drops of water makes mighty ocean. Today let me prove you that. Are you ready, folks? No electricity is required, no external help is required, and do it by yourself. And now let me tell you the materials required to make a water dispenser. So first you need a cello tape or a glue, and the second one, the main thing you need is a bell pin. So the third one is a paint palette. The fourth one is A4 sheet, and the fifth one is a straw. Next is a small water bottle, and you can have at least a small water bottle, like you can have the size of this. So the next one is a scissor. So these are the materials required, and I hope now it's time to start our session. So first you need 3 cardboard pieces, and now let me tell you the measurements of them. So the first one you need, so friends, for the first cardboard you should have 6 centimeter and 20 centimeter here. So you need another shape of the same centimeter. So now take the next cardboard, and the next sheet should have 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter. So make sure you will get now 3 cardboards. So now what you have to do is, you have to place all the cardboards like this. So here I am going to use a bell pin. So see friends, I have now stuck them at one side. Now do the same on the other side. So you should be very careful when you are doing that with bell pin, or if after sticking bell pin you can for support stick them with cellophane tape or cello tape. So friends, after doing this, now take a small cardboard piece and make them fix here. So it should be like this. So now after fixing, paste bell pin, or you can use a gum or a glue to paste them. Now at this step your water dispenser must be like this. So after doing this, what you have to do is you can take a A4 sheet, and then you should cover all these sides. So I'm going to do that, and next let's see what happens. So friends, now after I have completed this step, now put a small hole at the edge. So make sure that its size should be just it should be in a size that it should your straw must get in. So the size must be this much only. So here I'm going to put a hole. I hope I have now put a hole in this box, and now what we have to do is, see, I have put a hole here, and now what we have to do is, now we have to paint this outer box. So we should make sure that it attracts everyone. So now it's time to paint this box. So friends, after painting your dispenser like this, and now we can also decorate it as I have done here. So after doing this, what you have to do is, you have to take a water can and put a hole at the center here. So after putting a hole, now you have to take the straw and just insert it. Make sure that the hole should correctly fit to the bottle's hole. So bottle and the straw. Now if you find that it's not fixing it, you can apply hot glue gum, or you can apply more glue in it, so it would be get so fixed. So after fixing it, you should open the bottle, and now you should have your finger placed like this, and now you have to fill water inside this. So after filling the water, you have to close this like this. So let me show you how this works now. Here friends, now you have to fix your water bottle like this, and now what you have to do is you can take a small cup and you have to place it like this. So now if you open your water bottle, you'll get a continuous flow of water. See here, there is a water flow, and now after, if it's not required, you can close them. You can have a good taste of water, and then if you again want it, you can open them like this. So if you don't want, you can close it. So you can also do juices like these, and if you want to fix your water bottle permanently, what you can do is you can apply glue at the center. So friends, life is like water in an ocean. It can be rough or rigid. It can be always smiling, or sometimes you can face sorrows. It can be calm or still, but at the end, make sure that it's always wonderful. One drop of water can serve one thirsty world. I'm just asking you to save that one drop of water each and every day in your daily uses. So friends, learn one thing. One thing can remember you ever and ever in your life. So make sure that if there is no water, there is no life. If there is no life, you can't see blues and greens on the world map. Smell the sea, feel the sky. Let your souls and spirits fly over with joy. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe this and share this in our channel anyhow. And finally, let me tell you, save life and save water once again. And this is Inyal Rajkumar signing off. Bye.